Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this 2-pack of their AirTag holders for like a dog's collar, and they've been redesigned. Let me go grab an AirTag. I don't know if I have one sitting out here somewhere. Let me grab one here. I have my nice customized AirTags with my initials on them, and so these are what they look like now. If you've seen some of the ones before, they didn't have as very good of rubber and hold on, so the AirTags would fall out. So this is how they've redesigned them now. So you put the AirTag in, which is now slightly more difficult, but there we go. So I've got it in there. Probably want to do it the other way actually, so the initials face out there so people can see in the art they get it open. And then what you'll do, I don't have a collar with me. My dog's wearing my collar, and my dog just had some surgery. But the way it'll work is you'll do like this. Which way will you do it? This way. So the collar will be through that. So you got an extra little level of protection here with the cord holding it as well. And then the collar goes around the dog. So there you go. And then it holds it in there, and they've got an AirTag that is not super able to fall out, and it's got the rubber around it. So I think even if you went in the water and stuff, it would pretty much hold it, pretty waterproof. I wouldn't say 100% guarantee, but it's better than the old style ones. And so this is it, and it'll stay on there, and you can find your dog if she runs away and someone's got an iPhone nearby. So cool little device, and I like it. Thumbs up.